Welcome. In this video I will show you how to export workouts to Strava and apps on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, grab an iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch and search for the Strava application in your app library. Then open it, tap the U to open the U tab in the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then select Manage Apps and Devices. To add a health app, you have to select Health, then tap right here, click Connect. And now what you're gonna have to do is switch the toggle to the right next to Automatic Uploads and Send to Health in order to for Strava to read your workouts from the Apple Health app. Now if you want to import some older workouts, you just have to tap Import next to the workout you want to add to your Strava profile. And just like this, your workouts will be synchronized with your Strava and apps on your Apple Watch Series 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.